Dear children, let us solve some multiple choice questions from the chapter Chemical Reactions and Equations. First question is, which of the following is double displacement reaction? Which of the following is double displacement reaction? Observe the first option. Option A, Pb plus CuCl2 gives PbCl2 plus Cu. Here, the more reactive metal Pb replaces copper from the copper chloride and you will get PbCl2 and the replaced copper comes as a element. And the second one here, Na2SO4 plus BaCl2 gives BaSO4 plus 2NaCl. So what is double displacement reaction? It is a chemical reaction in which the positive and negative ions are exchanged. Na ions, sodium ions are replaced by barium ions and SO4 ions are replaced by Cl2 ions. So the new compounds are BaSO4 and NaCl. Therefore, what is the answer? The answer is option B. Option B is the answer. So let us write option B is the answer. Second question, which of the following is exothermic process? Exothermic process is a chemical reaction in which the heat is evolved, and you know that evaporation of water that absorbs the heat, sublimation of camphor also absorbs the heat, and dilution of acid. Diluting the acid means dilution of acid is decreasing the concentration of solute or decreasing the concentration of hydrogen ion of the acid by adding the acid to the water. Here water content is more. In this process heat will be evolved. So this dilution of acid becomes the exothermic process. This is the exothermic process in which the heat is evolved. Therefore the option C is the answer. What is the answer? Option C is the answer. Dilution of acid is the example of exothermic process. Third question, which of the following gas can be used for storage of fresh sample of an oil or chips? Here the options are carbon dioxide, nitrogen, oxygen and hydrogen. You know that the option is here B. B is the answer. Nitrogen is the answer. Nitrogen provides an inert atmosphere and prevent the oxidation of the oil or chips. In this way, the oil or chips remains fresh. Nitrogen prevents the contact of air and oil. So nitrogen is used for the storage of fresh sample of an oil or chips. So the answer is here nitrogen. Next, the fourth question. What happens when dilute hydrochloric acid is added to iron filling? You know that when acid reacts with metal, hydrogen gas will be liberated, and here only one reaction is there in which the hydrogen gas is produced, and hydrochloric acid, when hydrochloric reacts with iron, iron chloride will be produced. So the answer is option A only. Then what is the answer? Option A, hydrogen gas and iron chloride are produced. Option A is the answer. Hydrogen gas and iron chloride are produced.